Hello everyone, welcome to Monkeychat. In today's video, we are going to show you some amazing tricks where within a few minutes you will able to set up your bot without starting from scratch. Yes, you heard right. You will set up your bot without starting from scratch. And I will tell you how to do it. You will able to set up your bot with the help of bot template. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the dashboard of Monkeychat account. First, go to the Facebook and Instagram page. The first step is make sure you enable the bot connection of the pages you want to make a bot. For example, I'm going to make a bot connection for my restaurant page. So yes, it is enabled. If it's disabled, just enable the bot connection. Now, go to the bot template. This is how the bot templates look like. There are various bot template which has been given. Like there is a small business e-commerce template. There are many templates which is available on this. You can easily select those templates. Like there is a e-store, gym book, flower delivery, e-commerce. For small cake businesses, there is a cake template. So mine is restaurant, so I'm going to use a restaurant template. So first install the template. By clicking on install template, select the page you want. Now install. If installing, a warning will be appear, like if you want to delete all of your earlier data or persistent menu that you have been made, all you have to do is simply say yes. If you have not made any bot connection, it will not show like this. Now your bot has been successfully installed. Okay. Now let's see the bot which has been created by the bot template. Just go to the bot manager. Select the page. This is the page we have created bot. See, this are all the bot connection which is created by the bot template. So let's see if it's working fine. Let's click on the get started button. It will direct it to this bot flow, entire bot flow. Yes, it has been activated. It has been perfectly activated. The bot has been perfectly made by the bot template. If you wish, if you want, or if you wish, you can edit it out something, then you can just go ahead and edit. For example, if you want to edit some setting in it, you can just add. For example, like I'm going to add some setting on it, like this is my, like the delay reply, typing on display, delay reply just done. If like delay typing, or if you click on the delay reply, it will engage your customer with you. So I'm going to just, yeah, this is all the buttons, new post back. Here I'm going to add the emoji. Delay reply, let's make it 0. I'm going to reply quick. Just type, click on the typing display, it will engage your customer. Done. Edit the setting you want. Now if you have edited out, just simply save your template. The save, if you save the template, the edit you have made, it will be successfully saved. If you make a bot from scratch, it will take a time. The process is really lengthy. But if you make a bot from this, it will be very helpful. Now let's check. It's working fine or not. Now let's see. Click on the send message. Get started button. Let's see if it's working fine or not. Yes, it's working perfectly fine. It is simply created by, within 10 minutes it has been created by the bot template. See? Wow, it's working perfectly fine. If you make a bot, as I earlier said, if you make a bot from scratch, it will take time. The process is very lengthy. So saving you from that hurdle, you can simply use bot template. Within the 10 minutes, you can create a bot for your Facebook page and just do customization according to your desire, edit it out, and whatever you want to do. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching our video.